Welcome to the channel for all things metal roofing in the Carolinas. Today we're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing about his experience switching from shingles to a metal roof. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Hi guys, we're here speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing. We're here in Raleigh, North Carolina. How are you doing today, Mr. James?
I'm doing good. Doing good.
Awesome. So you purchased a dark gray Gator Metal roof about a year ago. Why did you choose that color?
Well, we thought that it would go good with the shutters.
Okay, awesome. Well, it looks so beautiful. As I was driving up, I noticed your roof from down the street, and it just looks amazing.
I think so too. When I come up, either way, it looks good to me.
It does, absolutely. So, Mr. James, since you've had your Gator Metal roof for a year now, what do you think of it?
I think it's an amazing material. Because it's quieter when like rain and stuff. It's real quiet. You don't even know it. I'm enjoying it so far.
Love to hear that. You used to have a shingle roof.
Yes.
But then you switched to a Gator Metal roof. Why did you switch?
When I saw the advertisement on television, and I thought it'd be a good idea because I've only had two roofs before, the original one and two in between.
Yeah.
So that's...
So you had two shingle roofs?
Yeah.
Wow.
The original one and two more.
Oh, so you've had a total of three shingle roofs?
Yeah, this is the fourth one, and I hopefully it'll be the last one. I won't be here to see the last one, but it's all right with me. You know?
Yes, this roof comes with a lifetime warranty, which is 50 years. So, Mr. James, when they came to install your Gator Metal roof, what did you think about the crew?
On time, and the cleaning up, you know, the waste that was out here, trying stuff away. I think it was a good crew.
Awesome, I'm glad to hear that. We're all about being professional, efficient, and giving you guys the best quality service. That's why we have hundreds of 5-star reviews on our Google, Facebook, and we have heartfelt testimonials just like this one from our past customers. So Mr. James, would you recommend a Gator Metal roof to your friends and family?
I have, already.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Thank you, come back.